Attaching the tool plate and coupler assembly to the Prepmaster. To replace a coupler, you will need a 3/4 inch socket, an impact wrench, 2 1/2 inch cap screws and lock washers, and a 602 or 702 coupler. First, place the coupler on the tool plate, making sure to place the raised bosses of the coupler in the countersunk holes. Then drop in the 1/2 inch cap screws and hand tighten them a few threads. Finally, tighten them completely using an impact wrench or ratchet. To place the completed assembly on the machine, line up the raised bosses on the coupler with the countersunk holes on the drive plate. Put one of the 1/2 inch cap screws in one of the holes and hand tighten a few threads. Now that the assembly is held to the machine, you can easily insert and hand tighten the other 1/2 inch cap screw. Tighten both down with the impact wrench.